problems. What do we see that's going on here?
They're doing like. Please.
Yeah, say it again. Please excuse my.
Dear Aunt Sal.
What else do we call that? PEMDAS or Order of Operations. How do I know when to use those steps?
When you
Dylan?
When it has more than one operation.
When it has more than one operation. And if I look, we're going to look at A and C. If I look at A, I have adding 1, subtracting 2, and next adding 3. So, if I have more than one math symbol, one operation, I'm going to use those steps. So the first thing we want to write down is what?
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sal.
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P stands for parentheses and brackets. E, exponents, but do we use them in 5th grade?
No.
MD, multiply or AS, add or subtract. All right, make sure we're all writing these down. Okay, in my problems, do I have brackets?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Inside my brackets, do I have more than one operation?
Yes.
Yes, I have adding and I have subtracting. If I have more than one operation, I'm going to use my steps. Do I have brackets inside here?
No.
Parentheses inside here?
Yes.
Okay. Inside these parentheses, do I have more than one step?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to underline the step that I'm about to solve. Remember, I'm going to draw my work line. I'm not going to do any work underneath here. I'm just bringing the problem down here. All my work is off to the right. So I'm going to, off to the right, do 4/5 plus 3/10. Can I do that problem right now?
No.
Why not?
Because it's not.
Not the same denominator. So I'm going to make what am I making to find a common denominator?
Ratio table.
Very good. We'll give you about 30 more seconds to finish up your ratio table, then we'll find a common denominator together. All right, let's look up here. Do I have a 5 down here?
No.
A 10?
Yes.
A 15?
No.
20?
Yes.
25?
No.
Okay, I have 2 underlined. Which one am I going to use?
10.
Why the 10?
Because you always use your left.
I want the least common denominator. Very good. Okay. So I'm going to put that this is equal to, too zoomed in. This is equal to 8 tenths plus 3 tenths. Can I add that up now?
Yes.
8 plus 3 is
11.
denominator is what?
10.
Yes. What kind of fraction is that?
Improper.
What do I need to do with it?
Make it into a mix.
Okay, how do I do that?
Divide.
Very good. What am I dividing?
11 divided by 10.
11 divided by 10. Very good. Place value holders. Can 10 go into 1? 10, no, I'm going to put a 0 on top. Can 10 go into 11?
Yes.
How many times?
1.
I put a 1 on top, what goes on the bottom?
10.
Gonna subtract, I get 1. Do I have anything else to bring down? Do I have a remainder?
Yes.
What does my remainder become?
A numerator.
My numerator, my denominator is?
10.
Okay, so 4/5 plus 3/10 equals 1 and 1/10. Am I bringing down these parentheses?
No.
What about these brackets?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I solved for parentheses, so I'm starting back over, but I'm still inside my brackets. Do I have any more parentheses or brackets inside here? No. Exponents,
No.
multiplication, division, adding, subtracting.
Yes.
Okay, underline that step. I'm gonna bring over my scratch paper so I have room to do this. I have 1 and 1/10 minus 1/2. Can I do that problem right now?
No,
Why not?
because
You
need a common denominator.
I need a common denominator. What am I gonna do first?
Turn the mixed number into improper fraction.
Very good. Turn in a mixed number to an improper fraction. I take my denominator times my whole number. Add my numerator to give me my new numerator. My denominator
Stays the same.
stays the same. So underneath 1 and 1/10, I'm gonna put 11/10. Now, can I find a common denominator using a ratio table?
Yes.
Yes. Give you a minute to do that. All right, we ready? Okay, do I have an 11 below?
No.
I mean, not an 11, a 10 down here.
No. Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Do I have a 20,
No.
30,
No.
40,
No.
and 50?
No.
Okay, so my common denominator is 10. So I'm going to replace, or 11/10 will stay the same. 1/2 is now,
5
okay. 11 minus 5,
6/10.
very good. So I'm going to put 6/10 right here. Bring down my problem. Am I bringing down the brackets?
No.
Nope. Okay. I solved brackets, so I'm starting back over. Do you have any more brackets?
No.
Parentheses,
No.
exponents,
No.
multiplication, division,
No.
adding, subtracting.
Yes.
All right. Coming back over here. 6/10 plus 2/5. What do I need to do?
Make a ratio.
Very good. What does finding your ratio table help me do?
Find common denominator.
Okay. Okay, do I have a 10 below here?
Yes.
20,
No. Yes. Yes.
30,
No.
40,
No.
50.
No.
Which one am I going to circle?
10.
Because it is the
Lowest.
least common denominator, so 6/10 stays the same. 2/5 is equivalent to,
4/10.
so I have 6/10 plus 4/10 equals 10/10 is also equal to
1 whole.
1 whole. Just to show you that. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I shade 10 of these tenths, I have a whole picture shaded. Make sense? So right here, I'm gonna put 1 whole or 10 tenths. Questions on that one? Comments? Concerns?
No.
All right, let's do C. What am I gonna write down?
Please excuse my dear.
Very good. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P is
Brackets.
brackets and parentheses. E is
Exponents.
don't have them in 5th grade. MD is
Multiply or divide.
very good. AS is
Add and subtract.
very good. Do we have brackets?
Yes.
Inside my brackets do I have more than one operation.
Yes.
Okay, so if I have more than one operation, I'm using my,
Steps.
inside these brackets, do you have brackets?
No.
Do you have parentheses?
Yes.
Do you have more than one?
Yes.
So which one? So I'm gonna do an arrow to them. Which one would I do first?
1/2 plus 1/2.
The first arrow, right? So 1/2 plus 1/2 is
1 whole.
1 whole. Am I bringing down these parentheses?
No.
What about the brackets?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Still inside my brackets. Do I have any more parentheses?
Yes.
All right. 1/4 plus 1/6. Can I add that up right now?
No.
Because why?
Because they don't have the same denominator.
I need to find a common denominator. Do I have a 4 down here? An 8 down here? 12,
Yes.
16,
No.
20.
No.
So my common denominator is
12.
12. So 1/4 is equivalent to 3 12s. 1/6 is equivalent to 2 12s. 2 plus 3 is
5
okay. So I'm replacing this with 5 12s. Do my parentheses get do I bring my parentheses down?
No.
What about my brackets?
Yes.
Okay. So I've solved another set of parentheses, so I'm starting over inside my bracket still. Do I have more parentheses in here?
No.
Exponents,
No.
multiplication, division,
No.
adding, subtracting.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. 1 plus 5/7 is,
Is 1 and 5 twelfths.
I said 5/7, that's silly of me. 1 plus, oh my gosh, 1 plus 5 twelfths equals, yes, 1 and 5 twelfths. Am I bringing down these brackets?
No.
What about the rest of the problem?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. 1 and 5 twelfths minus 1 is
5 twelfths.
5 twelfths. So, just in case you don't see that right off the bat that you can do that, let's go ahead and do like this, just to practice. So to turn 1 and 5 twelfths to a improper fraction, I'm multiplying my denominator times my whole number, taking my product, adding it to my numerator to get 17 twelfths. How do I make 1 into a fraction? Chris? 12 twelfths. Why didn't I use 1 over 1? Joey?
Because the denominator is 12.
Yeah. 1 over 1 would be equal to 1. 5 over 5 is equal to 1. So any number over itself is equal to 1. So if I already know that my denominator is 12, when you make that 1 a fraction, use the denominator 12 of what that other one is, so you have to do easy math. So now I have 17 twelfths minus 12 twelfths to give me 5 twelfths. Any questions? Comments? Concerns? Y'all are so talkative today.